Imagine a surgeon in France repairing a patient's heart in India live. Imagine robots rebuilding a fire-ravaged city in half the time, or autonomous machines restoring entire ecosystems. These aren't science fiction scenarios. They're August 2025 headlines from BBC News, Popular Science, and Robotics 24/7. The future isn't coming. It's here, unfolding faster than predicted. In this episode, we'll break down 6 breakthroughs that prove we've entered a new era of robotics. I'm Ben, and on this channel, we bring you verified, source-backed stories from the frontiers of robotics. Subscribe if you want the facts that will redefine what you think is possible in 2025. Let's start with a medical leap that erased the meaning of distance. In Strasbourg, France, Dr. Sudhir Srivastava sat at a surgical console while his patient lay over 4,300 miles away in Indore, India. Using SS Innovation's SSI Mantra 3 robotic system, he performs an atrial septal defect closure, repairing a hole in the heart. The procedure ran over a dedicated fiber optic link with latency under 180 milliseconds, faster than the human blink threshold. The connection was so seamless, it felt as if the surgeon stood in the same operating room. This was not a test. It was a real, life-saving operation completed without a single technical complication. Distance has just been removed as a constraint for elite medical expertise. From saving individual lives, let's move to rebuilding entire communities. In Pacific Palisades, Los Angeles, wildfires destroyed homes and infrastructure. ABB and Cosmic Buildings responded with mobile AI-powered robotic microfactories deployed directly to the burn zone. Compared to FEMA's average 120-day post-disaster rebuild timeline for similar neighborhoods, these systems completed homes in just 36 days, a 70% speed improvement, while cutting per-unit costs from $250,000 to around $175,000. This is automation as humanitarian aid, accelerating recovery rather than replacing workers. Meanwhile, robotics is becoming accessible to ordinary people. Unitree's new humanoid R1 costs just $5,900, a collapse in price from past model costs. Weighing 25 kilograms, it integrates large multimodal AI from day one, understanding voice and vision without add-ons. It runs a 16-core ARM-based processor, depth cameras, stereo microphones, and haptic sensors with an open software kit supporting Python and ROS2. This is the personal computer moment for robotics, where universities, startups, and even individual developers can now build humanoid applications at scale. Speaking of next-generation hardware, Unitree's A2 quadruped robot pushes agility to a new level. It uses dual LiDAR for full surround environmental mapping, can sprint at 5 meters per second, climb 35-degree inclines, carry 25 kilograms, and operate for 180 minutes on a single charge. Its ability to recover from impacts and traverse terrain that defeats wheeled or tracked robots signals a future where machines can follow humans anywhere and go beyond. Robotics is also stepping directly into retail. In Beijing's E-Town district, a 4-story complex now showcases between 50 and 100 robot models from over 40 manufacturers. Visitors can watch live demos, compare models, and purchase everything from industrial robotic arms to companion robots. Projections suggest the mall could draw over 1.2 million visitors a year, with average transactions exceeding $4,000. This marks the shift from robotics as specialized industry tools to mainstream consumer products. And if buying a robot isn't immersive enough, imagine staying in a hotel run entirely by them. In Japan, the Hena Hena Hotel, which translates to Strange Hotel, offers guests the choice of checking in with a multilingual android or a bow-tie-wearing velociraptor robot. Autonomous porters handle luggage, and in-room AI assistants control lighting, climate, and provide weather updates. According to Wired, 87% of guests said they would happily return despite never interacting with human staff, making this a real-world lab for service robotics adoption. All of these stories point to the same conclusion. 3 major barriers have collapsed: the cost barrier with affordable humanoids and consumer-facing robot malls, the distance barrier with life-saving surgery performed across continents in real time, and the application barrier with robots tackling real-world, high-impact tasks from disaster recovery to hospitality. Researchers in AI and Robotics Quarterly call this the quarter of inflection points, a moment where multiple paradigm shifts happen at once and amplify each other. We're not just watching gradual improvement, we're seeing advanced robotics integrate into the fabric of society. This means elite medical skills can reach any patient anywhere, Disaster recovery can compress from months to weeks. Advanced robots are within reach of individuals, not just corporations, and service industries are testing fully automated operations at scale. The real value now lies in human creativity, strategic thinking, and collaborative problem-solving amplified by robotic tools. For more source-verified robotics coverage, subscribe now. The future isn't coming, it's already here.